Are phone calls consuming your time before events? You're not alone. Norma, a board member at a non-profit, faced this very challenge. With 50 to 60 members, most not using email or social media, she spent hours calling individuals to share event details. Every day, she made 2 or 3 calls, cutting into time better spent on important tasks. But then, Norma discovered a solution, an affordable mass texting platform called Simple Texting. Now, she schedules mass text campaigns. Members receive invites and reminders, all without the hassle of calls. The platform also allows two-way messaging. This means Norma can directly answer questions or comments from her inbox. She enhances member engagement by sharing flyers and photos through MM's messaging. This feature allows for rich text content, including images and videos, which entices church members to attend. Norma has seen incredible results. She saves hours weekly on communications and can focus on improving church programs. "You've saved me a lot of time," she says, highlighting her return on investment. Attendance at events has increased, and members are more engaged than ever. Norma highly recommends Simple Texting, calling it invaluable for effective communication. To streamline your nonprofit's outreach and boost member participation, try Simple Texting free for 14 days, no credit card needed. Organizations like yours can also benefit from a 15% discount on monthly plans. Take action now and transform how you connect with your community.